আমি ইসলাম নিয়ে আরও বেশি জানতে চাই, যেন আমার জীবনকে এমনভাবে গঠন করতে পারি যা আমার জন্য শ্রেষ্ঠ।
I want to learn more about the fundamentals of Islamic Aqidah and Tawheed so that I can share the true light of Islam with the people around me.
To me, Islam is more of what I do every day rather than debates and concepts. Even at this hectic phase of my life, when I'm starting my own small business, Islam could be the source of peace I've been always looking for.
In a society like ours, people are always telling me what I should do and what I shouldn't do, and they never really explain why I should be doing them. As a Muslim, I think it's really important to do some research and learn the basic principles of Islam.
একজন মুসলিম হিসেবে আমার দায়িত্ব হলো আল্লাহকে পাওয়া, আর আল্লাহকে পেতে হলে ইসলাম সম্পর্কে আমার জানতে হবে।
According to my passport, I'm a Muslim. However, my actions don't reflect that. I want to study about Islam so that even in my heart, I can be a Muslim.
I'm a Muslim, but there are many rules and regulations, and each topic has many different explanations. I don't know which one to follow. I want to study about Islam to know the truth.
I want to learn more about my deen to enrich not only the spiritual aspect but also the intellectual dimension of my faith.
ইসলামকে সঠিকভাবে পালন করার জন্য এবং অনেক কিছু যা আমি ঠিকভাবে না জেনে করছি সেগুলোকে সঠিক করার জন্য আমি ইসলাম সম্পর্কে আরও জানতে চাই।
Whenever I have prayed, Allah has listened to me. Now I want to learn more about my connection with the Creator and about the entity who listens to our prayers.